This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the PS5 has the latest firmware so menus and scaling controls behave predictably. Once updated, make sure your TV or monitor is connected and running at its native resolution. This reduces blurriness when you change UI scaling. Now open Settings, then Screen and Video, or Accessibility when you want text size changes. These are the first actionable steps because altering resolution or text size before deeper tweaks ensures your changes will look like you expect. Next, change the core parameters that act like DPI. In Screen and Video, set resolution and 4K output to match your display because higher resolution reduces UI scaling needs. Once done, go to Accessibility and tweak text size. This directly increases readable elements without re-rendering graphics. Also use display area to shift or crop the UI so buttons and text sit correctly on your screen. These combined changes let you tune how big interface elements appear and why each setting matters. Finally, apply your changes and restart the console to ensure the system reinitializes rendering at the new settings. Test the home screen, menus, and multiple games. Some titles ignore UI scaling, so make sure results are consistent. If things look blurry or cropped, switch back to the display's native resolution and toggle HDR or 4K output modes to see which combination fixes it. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, restore display area or accessibility defaults to quickly revert and start again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.